Welcome back to the channel, guys. How you doing today, man? I hope you guys are having a great day. Appreciate you guys for stopping by, tuning in. As you guys know, I finally got the Crossfire back. Haven't been acting up yet, but I'm gonna drive it around maybe today, later on today. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do, and you know, see how it's gonna react. So this one, I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop today. I'm gonna go to a different exhaust shop. I'm gonna see if they can maybe work something out for me, man, with the tips. I tried to order them last night, and all the tips that they have is coming from China. We can't order from China right now. It's got things going on down there, and they won't ship it. So we're gonna see what we can do today on this. And oh guys, what I want to do with the Crossfire, I want to take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I want to take off real quick. So this, guys, as you can see, hold on, right there, it's starting to peel now, the plastic dip. So what I want to do is I want to start taking this off, peeling it off, and repainting the whole deal black. But hold on, guys, my wife calling me real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Guys, I want to start peeling this up. I want like a matte black finish paint on here. So I'm gonna see, man, how I can be able to peel this up. Hopefully it come up pretty good. I'm peeling it right now, and it look like it's coming up. I put on quite a bit of layers, so I don't know why I don't want to peel up that good. But yeah, I'm gonna have to work with it. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and take this Camaro to the shop, see what we can do, man. All right, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. So I think we're gonna get the exhaust done today, man. The guy, he gave me a great price, and he said he got the tips for it. So actually we're gonna go a little bit bigger on the tips, which I was kind of worried about because I didn't want the tips to be looking all big and crazy looking on there. But he said he gonna hook it up, man. So we're about to get this car, pull it up in there, man, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, man, just like always. But hold on, guys, we had garbs, automotive, and exhaust. So I'm gonna turn this camera around, give y'all the address. So if y'all in the Baytown area, if y'all want y'all exhaust done, man, go ahead and hit these guys up, man. They give you a great deal, and it's good customer service, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around for y'all. Yeah, we had garbs, automotive, and exhaust. Address is 806 West Texas, Baytown, Texas. So that's where we at, man. So yeah, guys, let me go ahead and pull this car in, man, and I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. I'll give y'all a little test sound, all right, when it's done. So they got the car up on the lift right now, and so we're going with these tips right here. Show you guys real quick. So we're gonna go with these tips. These are actually a little bit bigger than the ones that's on the car, but as you guys can see, we're gonna cut the mufflers off, go with a straight pipe, come out from the back. But whenever we get finished, man, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product and get back with y'all in a minute. All right. So we are back, man. We already left the muffler shop. So what I got done, guys, is I got a muffler delete straight pipe, and I got some new tips on there, and man, it looked pretty good. He straightened them out pretty good. They're not crooked, they look good, and the car sound better now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try to get a couple of pulls for y'all, that way you guys can take a look. Hear the new exhaust. And tell me what y'all think, man. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of the new exhaust. But I'm gonna kind of like downshift it and see if y'all can hear it. Oh, guys, and I do get more cracker pops now. So I don't know if y'all can hear it, but hold on. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. I got a cop up ahead of me, so I'm gonna give y'all a pull. It's a little wet out here, guys. I don't want to start spinning out, man. Lose control out here. It's a little wet, a little damp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in manual mode, downshift, so you guys can hear it. So I'm gonna put it in manual. Where we at? So we're in third gear, y'all. We're going second. Y'all gonna hear it real quick. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I'm coming up to a stop, man. So I'm gonna downshift again. Real quick. Y'all hear? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got downshift again, y'all. This thing sound like a beast, man. I'm telling you. I got a car up ahead of me. But y'all can hear them pops, man. I know y'all can hear them. Come on. Oh shit. God dog, man. This car ain't playing no games, man. Hold on, man. Give y'all some more, man. Hold on, I'm gonna downshift. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh shit. Hey man, I'm gonna have to get with y'all when I get to the house, man. Gone. But yeah, guys, so this car sounds crazy, man. Sounds crazy. I'm glad I did the muffler delete, man. Seemed like it's got more power too. So it's got a cold air intake on here. It's got an exhaust done. I want to do a couple of more things to the car, man. I gotta get them brakes fixed, man. They squeaky, squeak, 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 squeak. I ain't gonna punch it right here, guys. This is kind of damp, real bad right here. But man, she sounds good, man. Man, y'all drop a comment down below, man. Does she sound good or what? Let me know in the comments, man. So you hear this big beast, man. Definitely sound pretty good, man. I'm happy with the results. Hey, man, drop a comment down below. Make sure you give me that thumbs up button. Y'all know what it is, man. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. We'll see what the next mod gonna be. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the new subscribers, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man, because there's gonna be more things coming. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Y'all know what it is. But peace.